Hi, I'm Jacqueline, and today we are announcing our very first giveaway for the Songbirds Garden Block of the Month. So we are going to be having giveaways every month. We have lots and lots of great prizes, and today we have three fabulous prizes that I wanted to tell you about. So the first one is the opportunity to win the fabric kit for the Songbirds Garden Block of the Month. And these fabrics are absolutely gorgeous. This is a $72 value, and you're going to get all of the fabrics for the top, the applique, and the binding to make the Songbirds Garden quilt. So that's prize number one. Prize number two is our VIP workshop. That is a $50 value. So in the VIP workshop, you're going to get not just the pattern, but you're going to get videos every month to walk you through making the blocks step by step. You're going to get hand embroidery tutorials, machine applique tutorials, tips on how to do the piece blocks and how to put them together. So again, that is a workshop series that is a $50 value. And you also get with that a bonus project, which is available only to our VIP members, which is this really, really pretty table topper, which is meant to be scrappy and use up all of the scraps that you have left over from making the quilt. So that is prize number two, VIP workshop with a $50 value. Now, the third prize is a gift card from one of our sponsors, Therm, and that is a $50 gift card. And you can go over to their website and choose any of their products with your gift card. They have all kinds of stabilizers and they have fusibles for doing your machine applique, lots and lots of fun products over on the Therm website. So I really recommend that you check them out and see what they have to offer. So that is prize number three, the $50 Therm gift card. So to enter for your chance to win one of these three fabulous prizes, you just need to add your name, email, and answer the question of the month in the provided form, and then we will choose those three winners at random. Good luck.